The beloved Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "Whoever constructs a masjid for Allah, Allah will construct for him a house in paradise." The immense reward attached to the act of building a masjid shows us its importance. By the grace of Allah, Muslim Hands has over 10 years of experience working in the field of masjid construction. So far, Muslim Hands has built over 500 masjids in 15 countries. Despite this, we can safely say that this masjid in Hamar Kalmati Baloch village in Karachi that you are currently witnessing is the largest, most beautiful, and most impressive masjid we have ever built. We ask Allah Almighty to make it the most blessed and most pleasing to Him. Ameen. But until recently, there was no masjid in this village. In fact, the people in this area would never have imagined that they and their children could ever have access to such a masjid in their own locality. Hamar Kalmati Baloch village is located in Bin Qasim town in the city of Karachi, the capital of Sindh province. This area is home to a population of nearly 150,000 individuals. Characterized by its dry mountainous terrain, the village is near various industrial establishments, including cement factories, steel factories, and textile factories. Owing to its nearness to the sea and Bin Qasim port, the residents of Hamar Kalmati Baloch village engage in a variety of occupations, including farming, laboring, daily wage work, factory employment, and running small shops. Despite its industrial surroundings, the village suffers from inadequate basic facilities. Access to education is limited due to insufficient school facilities. Poverty is a prevailing issue within the community, exacerbated by limited access to economic opportunities and basic services. Infrastructure deficiencies further compound the challenges faced by residents, with inadequate roads and utilities hindering mobility and access to essential amenities. Prior to the construction of the new masjid and religious education center, the community in this village and neighboring areas faced significant challenges in performing the congregational religious duties and providing adequate religious education to the children. This not only impacted individuals' ability to fulfill their religious obligations, but also hindered children's opportunities to learn about Islam effectively. Without nearby facilities, people faced difficulties in performing prayers punctually, and children encountered obstacles in gaining knowledge about Islam. There was a clear need for a large multi-purpose Islamic center which could provide for this religious yet financially challenged community. But there was a major obstacle. Despite the will and the desire to have such a masjid in their locality, they lacked the financial means.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इस इलाके में आबादी बहुत है यहाँ पर, और यहाँ हर चीज़ की सहूलत मौजूद है, पानी है, बिजली है, हर चीज़ है यहाँ पर। मगर एक चीज़ की कमी है, यहाँ मस्जिद की कमी है। यहाँ मस्जिद की अशद ज़रूरत है यहाँ पर। यहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो घरों में नमाज़ पढ़ रहे हैं, और जो छोटे मासूम बच्चे हैं वो भी घरों में नमाज़ अदा कर रहे हैं। हमें इस इलाके में एक ऐसी मस्जिद, खूबसूरत मस्जिद चाहिए जहाँ बच्चे भी कुरान पाक की तालीम हासिल करें, जो हमारे ये बुज़ुर्ग हैं वो भी जाके मस्जिद में पढ़ें। जगह यहाँ पर हमारे पास है, जगह हम आपको जो विज़िट करवाते हैं, जगह जो आपको पसंद आए, जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट पे पूरी होती है, वो जगह हम आप देने को तैयार हैं। यहाँ पे लोग माशाल्लाह जगहें लोग देने के लिए तैयार हैं।
In the year 2023, this all changed. The honorable, generous, altruistic donor, Miss Maryam Alad, contacted Muslim Hands with a dream of building a masjid. The Muslim Hands Pakistan team were given the mission of locating the neediest, most deserving, and most suitable community for this major project. After months of searching, researching, jumping over hurdles, removing obstacles, and seeking help from Allah Most High, they finally found the perfect location. Before deciding upon a location for any masjid, we always consider various factors to ensure that the donation is spent in the best way and that the masjid will have the most impact. When we encountered Hamar Kalmati Baloch village, we needed to be sure that they could fulfill all the requirements of the strict Muslim Hands Masjid policy. The village was therefore subject to our detailed needs assessment. The criterion of the assessment includes various factors including the following. There is a significant Muslim population living in the area. The community cannot afford to build their own masjid. There is no existing functional masjid near this location. The community has a good reputation. They displayed that they genuinely want the masjid and will look after it. They can form a committee to look after the upkeep of the masjid. They can appoint an imam. They agree to abide by Muslim Hands policies regarding ethical use of the masjid, and that the masjid will be used at minimum for the 5 daily prayers, and in the case of this large masjid, for the Friday and Eid prayers, as well as a madrasa and Quran academy for children. The needs assessment was positive, and the Joyce community was informed that they had been selected for this wonderful project. The next stages included hiring the contractors, agreeing the dates of construction with the community, determining the Qibla, and also transporting the materials to the site. Once this was done, construction began. The construction officially began on 2nd of June 2023. The plinth beam work was completed by early July, followed by the columns, shuttering, and block masonry, which was completed in August. Later the same month, work on the flooring began with the excavation of the soil to make space for the concreting of the floor. Work also began on the underground tank. This continued until September, at which point the construction of the minaret was initiated. Then the shuttering work on the ground floor roof began and continued into October, as did the steel work. The brisk masonry on the boundary wall was started and the concreting of the staircase was finished. In late October, work began on the arches and was completed in November. Shuttering work for the beams and slabs continued, while shuttering for the prayer hall and staircase was finished off. Electric work then started, as did the plastering of the boundary wall. In December, plasterworks on the first floor were initiated and the construction of the minaret resumed. Both of these works successfully completed the same month, and in late December, marble work began, as did tile work. In January, the marble and tile work continued, and work was also done in the design of the walls and plumbing, and sanitation work also commenced. Once these tasks were completed, the doors and grills were installed. By February, the design work was all finished and the carpet had also been fitted. Lastly, a solar panel system was installed. Finally, the masjid was ready to be officially inaugurated. The official opening of the masjid was a blessed and joyous occasion for the community. The event was attended by hundreds of locals as well as various esteemed personalities, including the Muslim Hands chairman Sayyid Lakhte Hasnan and several local Islamic scholars. To ensure that the masjid will be maintained and will be used for many years to come, we formed a committee with the local community to ensure we have locals taking charge of the project. One of the unique aspects of this masjid, however, is that Muslim Hands will be officially running a Quran academy here. The masjid is now employing a full-time imam as well as several other workers who are responsible for the masjid and Quran academy.
सबसे पहले अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि यहाँ अल्लाह ताला ने ऐसी खूबसूरत मस्जिद बनवाई। ये मुस्लिम हैंड्स वेलफेयर का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जिन्होंने ऐसी खूबसूरत मस्जिद तामीर करवाई। और जो ना यहाँ पर सिर्फ मस्जिद नहीं और कुरान एकेडमी भी होगी जहाँ बच्चे कुरान की तालीम भी हासिल करेंगे। और मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ अपनी बहन मरियम का जिन्होंने ये मस्जिद बनवाई। अल्लाह ताला उनके रिस्क में उनके कारोबार में बरकत अता फरमाए।
इस गाँव के मुकीम हैं हम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। जब ये तामीर हो रही थी मस्जिद तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह तबारक व तआला शुक्र है जो बड़ी खुशी हुई हमारे को। और मैडम मरियम ने बनाई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, उसके हम शुक्रगुजार हैं। ये ऐसे खूबसूरत हमारे को मस्जिद दिलवाई। और इसके बाद अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऊपर रमज़ान शरीफ भी था। ये जब तामीर हो रही थी तो इसमें तराबियाँ 5 वक्त नमाज की पढ़ने की सआदत मिली।
आज हम जामिया मस्जिद मरियम आए हुए हैं। आए आपको जामिया मस्जिद मरियम का विज़िट करवाते हैं। देखें किस तरह खूबसूरत मस्जिद बनी हुई है। ये एडमिन ऑफिस है, एडमिन ऑफिस का हम विज़िट करवाते हैं आपको। बेहतरीन खूबसूरत जाए वज़ू बनाई हुई है। वज़ू की जगह ये बेहतरीन है माशाल्लाह। यहाँ पर आए हम आपको जामिया मस्जिद मरियम के वाशरूम का विज़िट करवाते हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये मस्जिद का अंदर का हिस्सा है और बेहतरीन और खूबसूरत तरीके से बना हुआ है। आप ये देख सकते हैं माशाल्लाह पूरी तरीके से यहाँ मस्जिद तैयार है यहाँ पर। और यहाँ मेंबर भी माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन तरीके से यहाँ पे काम हो रहा है यहाँ पे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आए हम आपको लेके चलते हैं मरियम मस्जिद के दूसरे फ्लोर की तरफ। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये दूसरा फ्लोर है जामिया मस्जिद मरियम का। माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन खूबसूरत बना हुआ है माशाल्लाह। यहाँ ये हवादार है माशाल्लाह। यहाँ पर आप खड़े होते हैं तो यहाँ महसूस होता है कि यहाँ ऐसी हवा चल रही होती है। यहाँ लाइट की ज़रूरत नहीं है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। इस तरह खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है यहाँ ये मस्जिद माशाल्लाह। आए हम आपको मरियम मस्जिद के किचन का विज़िट करवाते हैं। ये जामिया मस्जिद मरियम के जो इमाम व ख़तीब साहब होंगे यहाँ पर रहेंगे और जो स्टाफ होगा वो यहाँ पे रहेंगे, उनकी रिहाइशगाह है यहाँ पर। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम यहाँ जामिया मस्जिद मरियम की छत पे खड़े हुए हैं। यहाँ खूबसूरत गुंबद बना हुआ है और खूबसूरत मीनार भी बना हुआ है और यहाँ पूरी छत पे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सोलर पैनल लगा हुआ है। 24 घंटे यहाँ पे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इस इलाके में, इस मस्जिद में लाइट है 24 घंटे।
The benefits in this life and the next life of your wonderful donation are so great that the impact of this project is truly beyond words. An entire community has been transformed, and so have the lives of these villagers. As well as the 5 daily prayers, the masjid will be used for the following: Friday prayers, Eid prayers, a madrasa for teaching Quran to the children of the village, a Quran academy for the memorization of the Holy Quran. Taraweeh prayers will be performed here in the month of Ramadan. The masjid will also be used for various other religious events.
या रब्बल आलमीन, हमने नमाज जुम्मा अदा की, ज़िक्र व अस्कार किया गया, इससे पहले कुरान करीम की तिलावत की गई, इन सबको अपनी बारगाह में कबूल और मंजूर फरमा। इलाहुल आलमीन, मरियम बाजी जिन्होंने ये मस्जिद बनाया, उनके तमाम अहले खाना की रूह को पेश करते कबूल और मंजूर फरमा।
The total capacity of this masjid is 1,500. We pray that this masjid continues to provide benefit for years to come and serves as a continuous charity, Sadaqah Jariyah, for our esteemed and respected donor, Sister Maryam.